We got an iPhone 12 Pro Max with camera related issues. While we open the camera, sometimes the camera opens after 5-6 seconds and the screen is frozen. Such cases mostly shown on dropped or water damaged iPhones. So many possible reasons that can't be fixed by software. Again, open camera shows a blank screen. If the camera opens, then the image freezes. The front camera is also blank. The customer tells that iPhone camera automatically opens slow and such issues shows. Power up the device before doing any hardware job. The first job, always remember to disconnect the battery. Disconnect LCD proximity flex carefully. While the battery is connected, don't touch these sections, otherwise dot projector fused cause Face ID failure. Disconnect the camera flex. First, we try by replacing the rear camera module. I am here using the rear camera from the donor iPhone. There is no water damage sign. Let's connect all camera connectors. Connect LCD and check. If you change from another iPhone to such message shows that can't be fixed by third-party repair. Here you can see the camera genuine message. This message pop up because the camera module was encrypted. Now open the camera and check no freezing sign, all open frequently. No any extra time to open, all modes work fine. The front camera also working fine. This means the problem was fixed. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video, subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution. Peace out till the next time.